Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do a very simple shell. It's called the shell lattice, something like that. It's very easy and it's just one row repeat, that's it. And even for you guys, the beginners, this stitch will be very easy for you to do this. Yeah. Well, I did it, well, let's say this way, and I made a different sample with like this. The difference is that we have a double crochet here, but in here, in this sample, we have the front post double crochet. So depends which one you like. I don't want to do another tutorial, just a separate one for the front post or only the double crochet. So you can do with, if you like this one has the front post instead of double crochet. But I think I'm gonna show you now the easy one, only with a double crochet. Okay, now this stitch works with multiples of 6 plus one more. So I chain my multiples of 6, and now we're gonna skip the first chain, chain one more. Yeah, I chain my multiples of 6 and chain one more. Okay, now we're gonna skip the first chain, this one, and in the next chain we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet, and we're gonna do single crochet in each chain until we finish the row. But to do a single crochet, you insert your hook into the chain, pull up a loop, you have 2 loops, grab the yarn and pull the yarn through these 2 loops, and that it's a single crochet. It's very easy. And this stitch has only one row repeat. This is the base, let's say. And I think I'm just gonna do maybe 2 rows and that's it, because, well, it's one row repeat. It's no use for me to do too many rows, and that's why I made the chain a little bit longer. Okay, so single crochet in each chain until you finish the row. Okay, and each time when you reach the end, each time you're gonna chain 3. So chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, turn your work, and now we're gonna skip the first 2 stitches. We skip this one, and in the third we're gonna do 3 double crochets, so we're gonna do 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 more double crochets in the same stitch where we did those 3 double crochet. We're gonna go back into the same stitch and we're gonna do 3 more double crochets. Okay, one more. Well, if you like the 2 samples, you can do them both, or you can do only with the double crochet or the front post. So yarn over the hook, we're gonna skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the third we're gonna do a double crochet. So after this row, for those of you that you would like to do the front post, the next row you do a front post around this double crochet. Yarn over the hook, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the third we're gonna do 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets in the same stitch. And you're gonna do like this, skip 2, and in the third stitch 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet in the same stitch. We go back again and do 3 more double crochets, okay, one more, So now again we're gonna skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the third stitch we're gonna do a double crochet. You're gonna do like this, skip 2, and in the third, yarn over the hook, we're gonna skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third we're gonna do 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet in the same stitch. And this is gonna be the row that you're gonna repeat on and on and on. Chain 2, go back again into the same stitch and do 3 more double crochets. Yeah, it's so easy, this one. And to do a shawl, a scarf. So now we have 3 stitches left, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna skip 2 stitches, and in the third one, the last one, we're gonna do a double crochet. So yarn over the hook, go into the last stitch and do a double crochet. And always you reach the end, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And now you're gonna yarn over the hook, you're gonna go to the first, let's say the first shell, and in the space, this chain 2 space, we're gonna work into this space. So yarn over the hook, go into that space and do 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets in the same, that 2 chain space. Chain 2, yarn over the hook, go back again into the same space, do 3 more double crochets, so that's about it. You're gonna keep doing like this. You just 1 row repeat, yarn over the hook. So let's say we're gonna skip this 3 double crochet. After you finish the shell, doing the shell here, you're gonna find the double crochet. So on top of the double crochet, you're gonna go in there and you're gonna do a double crochet. Yarn over the hook, move to the next shell, into the chain 2 space, you go in there and do 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet in the same, that 2 chain space. And this is it. This is the stitch. You can do a shawl, you can do a blanket even with a thick yarn if you like shells. Okay. And now again you're gonna skip these 3 double crochets and you're gonna go on top of this double crochet in the stitch, yarn over the hook, go on top there and do a double crochet. Yarn over the hook, and then you're gonna move to the next shell in the 2 chain space, you go in there and do 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets. So this is it. This is the stitch. Chain 2, yarn over the hook, and go back again into the same space, do 3 double crochets, okay, you reach the end, and each time when you have this chain 3, each time you're gonna go in on top of the 3rd chain. So this is the 1st, 2nd chain and 3rd chain. You're gonna go on top of the 3rd chain, yarn over the hook, and you're gonna do a double crochet. You're always gonna finish like this. Put a double crochet, chain 3, and this is the chain that you're gonna poke next row. So you turn your work and you start again. You move to the first shell into the space here. You're gonna do 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets in the same space. Chain 2, yarn over the hook and go back again and do 3 more double crochets. Yeah, this is such an easy stitch to do. Then you skip these 3 double crochets and then you move right on top of the stitches, right here. Yarn over the hook, and you do a double crochet. Then you move to the next shell, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same space, and you keep doing like this. So if you choose to do, for example, let's say the front post, for those of you that maybe you don't know how to do the front post. So yarn over the hook, you have the double crochet, you place your crochet hook behind that double crochet, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, and then grab the yarn and pass the yarn to the first 2 loops, and you have 2 loops remaining. Grab the yarn and pull the yarn to the last 2 loops, and that is a front post. Either you do it with a double crochet or you do it with a front post, either way. Well, this is it for this stitch. It's a very easy stitch for you guys to do. It's a little bit different, so if you want you can do this. But this yarn is size 3, and I worked with the 3.5mm crochet hook, even though this yarn is telling me to use 3.0mm. I chose to go with a 3.5, so it looks like this. And it's reversible, the stitch, so you can do many projects. Yeah? Okay, well, thank you for stopping by. Have a good day. Bye.